Welcome to my ChatGPT conversation video. I decided to ask ChatGPT some questions about the United States power grid since I work in that industry. My first question was regarding electric vehicles and basically with current demand, if everyone went to an electric vehicle, how would the grid handle it? Um, Basically, its response was that, well, the grid couldn't currently handle it. Um, Kind of gives some, stats. If everyone was charging their electric vehicle at once, you know, it would be about 2,800 terawatts um, compared to the uh, 4,000 annually. Um, so obviously that wouldn't be done, but it also makes good points as in it has a lot to do with when people are going to charge their vehicles, and which most would do that at non-peak times at night, and everyone wouldn't be doing it at the same time. Um, so then I asked another question that's currently a big talking point is natural gas generation, and there's been a lot of legislature to remove natural gas generation from the power grid by 2035. So I asked if we removed the natural gas generation, would we be able to meet the demand for these electric vehicles? And essentially, it said currently no. There's about 40% of the electric generation in the United States is natural gas. Um, Being that it's non-peak power generation, meaning that a lot of natural gas plants start and stop depending on demand. But it basically says, to meet this need, it would we need to be a lot of development in solar, geothermal, hydroelectric, energy storage, all this stuff that a lot of people are talking about now. And there has been a significant amount of legislature there in that. Um, but then I just kind of wanted to get a little more information. So I asked, well, what is the current capacity of natural gas generation compared to our total generation amount? And again, it says 40%, but it gives me some numbers. Um, 546 gigawatts. Um, and it's, 40% compared to 20% nuclear, 19% coal, 21% renewable sources. So, natural gas and coal are two of the big ones that are, non-renewable um, and considered greenhouse gas. Well, natural gas does not have natural gas greenhouse gas byproducts, but both not considered renewable. Technically, nuclear isn't either. So that's accounts for 60% of our, in 2020. Um, so, and it says again, there just needs to be a lot more development and whatnot, and especially with, the demand that a lot of people are in legislatures saying to go full electric. Could we do it? It's gonna take some work. Um, so that's kind of some numbers that I didn't have, so I decided to ask ChatGPT. And that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching.